Thank you so much, Bwana Chief. Anisha kwamba tukiwa hapa Kikopey pia.
Main goal of the project is to fight against violence against children and GBV issues that happen within the community. So the main goal is about addressing issues around violence against children and also GBVs that happen within the community. The main key drivers of teenage pregnancy, issues of GBV within the community are mostly the social norms that we have within the community, issues of gender-based violence, issues of beliefs, the norms that people have within the community, and those are the key things that this project is addressing. Those norms. We identified areas around Mahiu. Because most of the time, because of the issues of trucking companies, truck drivers and things like that, areas around Longonot and areas within Gilgil and more so Kikopey. You will find that Kikopey is along the highway, and Mahiu is also along the highway, and Naivasha and Longonot areas are also along the highway. So those are the key areas that we were able to identify as where these issues happen most of the time.
Tuyoke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria ekwirwo atatu a wici wa bunda maiketio ngono magithinja bunda 30 itũra-ini ria Kamiji gukwari ni